Hey there! Today, we're diving into a critical topic that every car owner needs to know: the hidden dangers of delaying your engine oil change.
You do not want to miss it.
Picture this: you're cruising down the highway, enjoying your favorite tunes, when suddenly, your engine starts making weird noises. You ignore it, thinking it's just your car's way of singing along. It's not. So, what really happens when you delay an oil change? Think of engine oil like coffee for your car. Just as you can't function without your morning cup, your car can't run smoothly without fresh oil. Old and dirty oil is like that leftover cold coffee you forgot about. Gross and totally useless.
Guys, let's get serious.
Over time, engine oil breaks down and gets contaminated with dirt, debris, and other nasty particles. Imagine trying to run a marathon in quicksand. That's your engine trying to function with dirty oil. It causes increased friction, wear and tear, and can lead to a total engine meltdown.
That's not funny.
But how do you know when your oil needs changing? Here are some telltale signs. Your oil looks darker than your morning espresso. Your engine sounds like it's auditioning for a heavy metal band. You smell something burning, and it's not your cooking skills. We asked some expert mechanics, and they all agree, changing your oil regularly is key. One even said, skipping an oil change is like skipping leg day at the gym.
I get it. It's very clever.
Life gets busy, and it's easy to forget about your oil change. Here are some tips to keep you on track. Set a reminder on your phone because we all need a little help remembering things. Use a maintenance log. It's like a diary for your car. Every time you get the fuel, check your oil level. It's a 2-for-1 deal. Remember, maintaining a regular oil change schedule isn't just about keeping your car happy. It's about keeping you safe on the road. And who doesn't want a happy car? So, don't be that person who waits until the last minute. Your car deserves better. Before you go, make sure to check out Mobil Pakistan's website. Visit mal.com.pk today and subscribe the channel.